What if you walked into your office every morning and your most capable employee had already reviewed your financials, flagged anything that needed attention, drafted responses to your overnight messages, and had your day organized before you even had your first cup of coffee? That's not a fantasy. That's what a Business AI Command Center actually does. My name is Ivy, and I'm here with Imaginary Farms, and today I'm going to walk you through a real day, hour by hour, showing you exactly what your AI employee handles, how it handles it, and what that means for your life. Because here's the thing, most people hear AI employee and they picture something futuristic and complicated. What they don't picture is coming home at 5 p.m. with the work actually done. Let's change that. 7 a.m., the morning briefing. You open your phone or your laptop, and instead of drowning in emails and wondering where to start, your AI employee has already prepared a morning briefing. It knows your business, your open items from yesterday, what's due this week, any policy renewals coming up, any client conversations that need a follow-up. It's not a generic dashboard, it's your specific situation, laid out clearly so you know exactly where to focus. 8 a.m., your production snapshot. An overnight email came in from a client asking about their coverage options after a recent life event. They just had a baby. Instead of that email sitting in your inbox until you get a free moment, which for most agents means 4 p.m. or never, your AI employee has already drafted a warm, compliant response with the relevant options laid out clearly. You review it in 90 seconds. You hit send. That's a client relationship strengthened before breakfast. It just feels good to have that off your plate. 11:30 a.m., a financial question. Midday hits. You've got a question you've been putting off? You're thinking about taking on a second location or a new team member. Normally, this question either gets shelved until you can sit down with your accountant, or you make a gut call without really knowing. With your AI employee, you just ask. You pull up your Business Command Center, your AI employee, and you type, based on my current revenue and expenses, can we realistically support a second team member? What does the math look like? And because it knows your financials, your entities, your goals, it doesn't give you a generic answer. It runs your numbers and gives you a real analysis. Right there. In the conversation, it doesn't give you a generic answer. It runs your numbers. 1 p.m. compliance check. A question comes up about a regulatory requirement. Something changed in your state, and you're not sure if your current procedures are aligned. You ask your AI employee. It walks you through the relevant requirements, flags what needs a closer look, and reminds you to loop in your compliance contact. It doesn't replace your professional advisors. It makes sure you're asking the right questions of the right people instead of flying blind. 4 p.m. daily recap. As your day winds down, your AI employee drops a daily recap into your workflow. What came in today? What got handled? What needs your attention tomorrow? Any upcoming deadlines? Any client follow-ups still open? It's like having a chief of staff who never forgets anything, never gets overwhelmed, and is always one step ahead. 5 p.m., you go home. And here's the part that really matters. You close your laptop, you go home. You're present with your family because you're not carrying it all in your head anymore. You're not lying awake at 11 p.m. wondering if you missed something. You're not spending your Saturday catching up on paperwork. Your AI employee is still on the clock. And tomorrow morning, when you open that conversation again, everything will be ready. This is what we build at Imaginary Farms. Not a chatbot, not a generic AI tool, a fully trained, fully built AI Business Command Center. Whether you're a state farm agent, a small business owner, or a growing team, your AI employee is ready. If you're curious what this looks like for your specific business, we'd love to talk. Book a free 30-minute discovery call now. I'm Ivy, and on behalf of Imaginary Farms, where your vision meets clarity, we'll see you in the next video.